Hello everyone, this is R. Vahita, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain some concepts about cloud computing. First, let us see about Introduction to Cloud Computing and the definition of cloud. Before knowing that, first let us know about centralized computing. What is centralized computing? This is a computing paradigm by which all the computer resources are centralized in one physical system. All the resources, may be processor, memory, and storage, are fully shared or tightly coupled within one integrated OS. Next, let us see about parallel computing. In parallel computing, all the processors are either tightly coupled with centralized shared memory or loosely coupled with distributed memory. Inter-processor communication is accomplished through shared memory or through message passing. A computer system capable of parallel computing is commonly known as parallel computers. The programs which are running in these parallel computers are called parallel programs. The process of writing these parallel programs is often referred to as parallel programming. Now let us learn about distributed computing. So this is a field of computer science or engineering that studies distributed systems. A distributed system consists of multiple autonomous computers, each having its own private memory, communicating through a computer network. Information exchange in a distributed system is accomplished through message passing. A computer program that runs in a distributed system is known as a distributed program. The process of writing distributed programs is referred to as distributed programming. Now, let's come to our topic, that is cloud computing. An internet cloud of resources can be either a centralized or a distributed computing system. The cloud applies parallel or distributed computing or even both. The clouds can be built with physical or virtualized resources over large data centers that are centralized or distributed. The system models for distributed and cloud computing. The distributed and cloud computing systems are built over a large number of autonomous computer nodes. These nodes machines are interconnected by SANs, LANs or WANs in a hierarchical manner, that is maybe local area network, wide area network, which may be in a hierarchical manner. With today's networking technology, a few LAN switches can easily connect hundreds of machines as a working cluster. A WAN can connect many local clusters to form a cluster of clusters. Let us see about cluster of cooperating computers. So cluster means a collection. So a computing cluster consists of interconnected stand-alone computers which often work cooperatively as a single integrated computing resource. In the past, the cluster computing systems have demonstrated impressive results in handling heavy workloads with large data sets. So this is the clustered architecture. We have the clusters of servers here shown in this diagram. The cluster is built around a low latency, high bandwidth interconnection network, and this network can be as simple as this LAN or example Ethernet. So the figure shows the architecture of a typical server cluster built around a low latency, high bandwidth interconnection network. This network can be simple as any SAN or LAN networks. The examples are MireNet or Ethernet. To build a large cluster with more nodes, the interconnection network can be built with multiple levels of gigabit Ethernet or InfiniBand switches. Through the hierarchical construction using a SAN, LAN or WAN, one can build a scalable clusters with an increasing number of nodes. The cluster is connected to the internet via a private network which may be virtual, which is used as VPN gateway. Thank you.